In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set buffer time between meetings in Calendly. Buffer time is really useful if you want some breathing room between calls, time to take notes, or just a moment to reset before your next meeting. Let's walk through how to set this up step by step. First, open your browser and go to your Calendly account. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your scheduling settings. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your main scheduling or event types page, where you can see the different meetings you offer, like 15-minute calls, 30-minute sessions, or longer consultations. Next, choose the specific meeting type where you want to add buffer time. For example, if you want a break between your 30-minute intro calls, click on that event. This will open the settings page for that particular meeting type, and any changes you make here will apply only to this event, not all of your events. Inside the event editor, look for an option that says something like More Options. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Calendly keeps the more advanced settings that control how your event behaves, including limits and buffer times. If you don't see it right away, check along the side or top menu within the event editor. Once you're in the expanded settings, find and click on Limits and Buffers. This section controls how many meetings you can have in a day, how close together they can be, and whether you want space before or after each one. This is especially helpful if your schedule tends to fill up quickly and you want to avoid back-to-back bookings. Inside Limits and Buffers, look for the option that says Set Buffer Time and click on it. Here, you'll be able to define exactly how much time you want before and or after each meeting. For example, you might choose 10 minutes before a meeting to review your notes and 15 minutes after to wrap up and prepare for the next one. Be sure to think about what realistically works for you and your workflow. After you've set your preferred buffer times, review your choices, then make sure your changes are saved. From now on, when someone books this meeting type, Calendly will automatically block out that extra time around each event, helping you protect your schedule and avoid burnout.